How to make money online with your iPhone. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you one app that as soon as you download it and sign up, you would have already started earning money. It is as easy as that. I'll be showing you an app that is certain to make you your first dollar online and even more. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end. The app that I'm talking about is Cashcamel, and as you can see right here, you'll be able to do surveys for cash. And the reason why I say as soon as you sign up, just go ahead and download the app. As you can see, as soon as you download the app, you would have already gotten a 20-cent offer to do a quick survey. And you can see right here from iPhone screenshots, for doing a 2-minute survey, you'll be able to earn 20 cents, and to listen to music you can earn 40 cents for 3 seconds. And the thing that I also love about this app is it works from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter which part of the world you are, you'll be able to earn money with this app. And also you'll be able to withdraw your money in PayPal. So who isn't a fan of PayPal? With this app you'll be able to earn PayPal money. You should definitely download Cashcamel if you have an iPhone, as it's an easy way to earn a few bucks in your free time. It's not a life-changing amount of money. Don't expect to be making a large amount of money, but you can definitely earn some money during your free time. As you can see here, the minimum payout is $10 and it's an instant payment, and most surveys make you earn $20 plus before you can get your money. And they pay out $30% more through PayPal. And they pay out 30% more through PayPal than other survey apps. And on other survey apps, you might start a paid survey and answer a ton of questions. Then the survey says, sorry, you don't qualify and you don't get paid nothing. On Cashcamel, they use artificial intelligence to pre-qualify you for surveys so you can earn more money easily. So it's definitely something that you should give a try. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And as you can see, it has a very high ranking on Apple App Store.